have here is a 2010 Kia Soul. I'm not sure if it's a base or whatever. I don't know the difference between them. I do know it's not. I've seen some other videos where the base didn't have the stuff on the you know, what do you call it? It didn't have that bait. It didn't have the sole on there. You know, it doesn't look like a base, but I'm pretty sure it is a base. But you could comment down below and let me know if I'm right or wrong. I don't know why it doesn't have the sole right here, but it just doesn't. So that's why I'm assuming it's a base. Alright, so I got this a couple weeks ago, and I mean, it's a pretty good little car. It does pretty good on gas. So what happened here? The guy that owned it before, he locked his keys in the car, and had to bash it out. Instead of repair guy had to pay $50. Now we got to pay $200 to fix that window. And it's terrific. All right, so then, other than that, it's not that bad of condition, except we have a little ding here because he didn't know how to drive. And then the day he was selling it to me, he bashed out that window because he locked his keys in the car again and forgot about the other. So I don't know what he was thinking. And other than that, it's not that bad. It's got some preventative maintenance that I gotta do on it. So the guy got used tires. I'm going to, it's almost October, so I'm going to get some snow tires. Probably November, December, right before the snow hits. Get some snow tires on here. And then during the winter, buy some new tires and just put them in the garage. This is also going to need, oh yeah, so this side right here, I can hear the bearing, hear the noise. It's not loud, but I notice it. And it also could just be the tires that are making that noise, but I doubt it, because it does have 149,000 miles on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace both sides. I'm going to replace the brakes all around. Now when I go over bumps, I can hear the back lid making noise and stuff like that. So I'm going to get new shocks for the back, and then this freaking driver's side mirror right here. I don't know why, but I can't see out of it the right way. When I'm sitting in a chair, I can see right here. A little bit of this. I want to see here and a little bit of that, not all of that, and then a little bit of the other. No. So I gotta have it right. Then I'm going to probably wrap it black and then get my logos on it for the channel. And so my logo is probably going to be redesigned. So no big deal. And I'm also going to get this taken care of too. So, and parts alone, I'm going to spend around $800. And that'll be it. And it'll look better again. Now the reason why you've got this yellowish is because it's brake dust, obviously, but if you don't clean them on these aluminum rims regularly, they stain the rim. You can get them clean, Also, this headlight right here collects moisture, so I'm going to replace the headlights. I did find on the internet that if I wanted to, I could replace this whole front clip, okay, and including hood and everything, to make it look like a 2020 in the front. it would make a unique style, but I don't know if I want to spend $5,000 on something I spent $7,000 on. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next update of the video of the car, and for the next review for the future. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And beat me up in the comments. Yeah. Also, in the description below, I'm going to put the phone number of the glass company. If you live in the Cuyahoga County area, I'm going to be able to get both those glass pieces replaced for around $300, and it's really cheap. So I'm going to put their phone number. I don't have the name of the company, but I'm going to put their phone number in the description below. So if you want to get a cheap price on, glass for any car, it doesn't matter. All right. Have a good day. Thanks.